Hey y'all, it's Kathy Bow. I'm your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I came over today to show you what you get in your demonstrator kit when you join my team. First of all, you get a surprise from me in the mail, and secondly, you will be able to, when you go in to join, you can choose for $99, you can choose $155 worth of anything you want from the annual catalog or the new holiday catalog. This does not even go live to customers until September 4th, but if you join my team, you'll be able to select items from this. And the $99 for $155 ends at the end of August of 2019. So if it's something you want to do, jump on it, because that's like the best deal I've seen all year. How to do that, you go to kathybow.stampinup.net, click on join, I think it says, and then just follow the prompts. If you have any questions, you can contact me here. But I'm going to show you what you get besides all the goodies. These are envelopes that you would use if you want to do a workshop. You put the whole package in there for your hosts. This is, and it all came out. Let's see if I put it in right. Isn't this so pretty? I love this. It's just so pretty. It opens up like this. And this is giving you some pamphlets to give people more information about Stampin' Up. And this is a 2019 kit, the business part of the kit. I don't know, I don't know when it will change. And the $155 for $99 ends at the end of August of 2019. You get customer order forms right here, which really and truly, I don't use these often because most of my orders are online. Most of my business is online. But if I'm going to do a private party at someone's home, I would carry these. And you get these cute little cards here. You can send them out. You can stamp these with your contact information, hand them out at anywhere, at the school, at any kind of events, things like that, where you're not imposing on the people that actually are doing business where you are. Okay, and then you get, I believe you're going to get 8 of these brand new annual catalogs. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh, I love it. So you get catalogs, you get order forms, you get tons and tons of information online. This is just the these are just the items you get in the box. And other than that, you'll get all the goodies that you ordered on your kit. And I'll tell you, everybody who has ordered, they call me and they say, my order's coming today. And then I don't hear from them for at least a day or two, because I know what they're doing. They're playing, right? So then they call me and they're like, oh my gosh, I made this, I made that. And I love it. It does my heart good, because when we're creating, we are not thinking about our problems or our concerns. And, my faith tells me that the very first thing that ever happened was God created. And I believe that he blesses this so much. So consider joining my team. I'd love to have you. You can be a hobbyist or you can be in business. However you want to be, I will support you regardless. And that's it. Thank you so much. God bless. Toodles.